Hey guys, it's Kevin here. I want to go over some creatives that I saw this week that I really like. Let's jump into our Facebook group. And again, if you guys are watching on YouTube, please make sure to like and subscribe. And again, we are hiring here at Voy Media. So if you're interested in working for us, please just email me, Kevin at Voy Media. But let's hop into the ads and I'll show you which ones I really like this week. So the first one that I saw was from this company called Synology Labs. The Facebook page is called Dogs Around the Globe. Very interesting because the website doesn't really correlate directly to the website, but it correlates directly to the product, and this is a dog product. So this is something that I think you guys should be thinking about testing. Is we've seen before where a product page name can actually really affect you. If we look at the ad copy of this ad, I really like that it starts off with a quote, right? We weren't sure what we were going to do with our dog. She was struggling to walk, consistently licking her joints. After 2 weeks of using these vitamins, our Bella was perfectly fine and running around playing with our dogs. So basically, if you look at this copy here, it's very emotional driven and emotional testimonial, which is even better. So from what I'm thinking, this copy was written on purpose. They know what's going on. And then I really like these bullet points created to dog owners from dog owners. We've actually used this line ourselves for my own brand, For Hikers by Hikers. It works really well. You really connect with your audience. Developed by veterinarians. Again, instilling social proof, instilling proof that this is something vets have used. Again, going with dogs. 100% natural, nutritious ingredients. People love natural nowadays. Something to be thinking about. Thousands of amazing reviews. Again, social proof saying, hey, tons and tons of people have used this. Make the best decision for your dog. Yeah, let's go watch the ad right now. And it says, your pup deserves to enjoy its golden years. There's sound on here, so let me play that. Which is why I formulated this. Let me replay the ad again with some comments of why I like it. Again, this is a great ad. Everything about this is amazing. And then this is a structure that I think you guys should be copying. It starts off with a very strong call to action, right? Again, your pup deserves to enjoy its golden years. As a dog owner, you want your dog to be happy. And then again, they're also mentioning what's stopping them from having those golden years, which is, but stiff joints can't make that happen. So then saying, yep, I want my dog to have golden years, but this can't happen because of stiff joints. And they do a good job of basically explaining that in the first 3 seconds. And then it goes to, okay, yes, sadly, 90% of dog owners over 5 years experience this joint condition. Basically, in that 1 or 2 seconds, they're saying, hey, you're not alone. Other people will experience this too. So continue watching and see why we solved this issue. And exactly says, which is why we formulated this. And now it's the product. A delicious dog chew designed specifically to promote healthy joints. What you're seeing here is now the content and the clips that they're showing is dogs running around and being happy, which is exactly what you want to be showing. You want to be showing the outcome of what your product is going to do now that you've sort of explained to them the problem. And now they can say, hey, this is now what's going to happen to my dog when they take this chew supplement. And it sort of says manages soreness and discomfort. Again, having dogs being happy, maintain mobility. As a dog owner, you know that mobility, you want to see your dog going up the stairs. It shows you that there's mobility. And then thousands of owners are loving this result. So again, leading with social proof, showing all the reviews, again, showing Trustpilot. People love Trustpilot as a review platform. Take care of your pup's health. Again, very emotionally driven copy. You want to be taking care of your pup's health. So love this ad. And again, learn more today. I actually clicked on the webpage for this, so you can take a look at this real quick. And again, really great webpage here. Starts off with the reviews. I really like that this page also has all this key products. It has a free gift. People underestimate the free gift. Still have this here. It's very easy to make. So what I like about this product page is they're using up all the places that their Shopify store has for images. And this is where you can continue to give USPs about why people should buy your product. I also really like here that they have the options to buy 1, 2, or 3 all at once. A lot of people make the mistake that they have it sort of hidden in like a drop down, but this is very clear and very obvious. I really love that. And again, let's go back to the product page and you could see that here, 1, 2, 3. And of course, I love that they show you how much you save. Made in the US, ships in the US. Again, Very great direct response marketing, very great marketers running this thing. That was one ad that I really like, and I went into detail about why I love it. So that's going to be the video for today. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and if you like our content, feel free to share it. And again, we're hiring here at Voy Media, so just email me, Kevin at Voy Media. Thanks.